Shengmilo MX06 Electric Bike 1000W Bafang Urban Bicycle Fat Bike Electric 26-inch e-bike. The Shengmilo MX06 500W Bafang motor provides numerous benefits for electric bike enthusiasts. With its robust 1000W peak power and continuous output of 500W, it delivers an exciting and efficient riding experience. The motor's impressive power allows for rapid acceleration and effortless hill climbing, making it suitable for a variety of terrains. Moreover, the Bafang motor is renowned for its dependability and long-lasting performance, requiring minimal maintenance. The MX06 also incorporates intelligent pedal assist technology, which enables riders to effortlessly switch between different power modes based on their preferences or the riding conditions. To sum up, the Shengmilo MX06 500W Bafang motor offers heightened power, performance, and versatility, ensuring an exhilarating electric biking adventure. Lockable front fork. The Shengmilo MX06 lockable front fork offers several benefits for riders. It enhances control and stability on uneven terrains with its lockable feature, allowing riders to switch between a locked position for smooth surfaces and an unlocked position for absorbing shocks and bumps. The front fork also reduces vibrations and impacts, providing a more comfortable riding experience, especially during long-distance journeys or off-road adventures. Additionally, it improves steering responsiveness and maneuverability, enhancing safety by enabling riders to quickly adapt to changing conditions. Lastly, the MX06 front fork is built to last, thanks to its high-quality materials and advanced engineering techniques, ensuring durability even in demanding riding conditions. Overall, the Shengmilo MX06 lockable front fork is an excellent choice for riders seeking improved control, comfort, safety, and durability from their suspension solution. 48V 17.5AH Samsung sells lithium battery. Shengmilo MX06 incorporates advanced battery technology along with high-performance battery cells sourced from Samsung, resulting in a state-of-the-art power system. The battery is engineered to deliver remarkable durability, boasting more than 1,000 charging cycles. Even after 8 months of continuous usage, the battery retains a minimum capacity of 90%, assuring consistent and enduring performance. Beyond the span of 18 months, the battery's capacity is assured to remain at an impressive minimum of 80%, exemplifying its robustness and unwavering power delivery. Disc brakes. Shengmilo's Zoom disc brakes are a top-notch braking system engineered for maximum performance. These brakes incorporate sensors for brake power-off systems, ensuring an additional level of safety and command. With their mechanism, they deliver unwavering and dependable stopping force across diverse riding environments. The brakes provide exceptional modulation and precise handling, empowering riders to navigate any type of terrain with confidence. Elevate your bike's safety and enhance your riding experience by equipping it with these cutting-edge disc brakes. Shengmilo MX06 Electric Bike, 1000W Bafang Urban Bicycle Fat Bike, Electric 26-inch e-bike 48V 17.5AH Battery Adult E-mountainou Bike.